been seeing these walking pads all over TikTok, then stop scrolling because I finally got mine in. I am so freaking excited. I have been literally eyeing this thing for months, and I finally decided if this is going to better me, if a product is gonna make me feel good, make me motivated, help me get fit, help me slim down, help me feel more mentally clear, I'm all for spending the money on it. Let's unbox this baby. This thing for under $200, that's insane. Look how nicely this is packaged. Like, I am very impressed with the quality of the packaging, the speediness of the service, everything. My gosh, look how nice this thing is. Like, what a nice piece of equipment. I'm honestly so impressed. I cannot wait to try this out and show it to you guys. Apparently, my kids can't wait to try it out too. Let's get this connected and see how it works. Undo this. Okay, let's plug this in. There is a power, see it right here. Switch that off. I'm going to flip this back over. And see, the power is on right here. Okay. All right, it's about to start. There we go. So now I'm using the remote to speed it up. Wow, this thing is awesome. Be careful, baby. This is going to be such a game changer, being able to walk at home with the kids and get exercise in every day. Like, I totally see myself using this throughout my day, whether it's, don't step on it, Luca, because you could fall. Whether it's 10 minutes here or 10 minutes there, or like when the kids are napping, walking for an hour while I'm working. This is going to be so huge. Watch out, guys. Move your hands, Luca. I am so excited to use this. And just like that, I turned it off, all with the remote, the click of a button. That is so, so cool. I am so excited to use this. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I want to try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold my hand. I don't want you to fall. All right, start walking. Start walking. Yeah, you gotta keep walking. You gotta keep walking. You gotta keep walking or you're gonna fall off. You gotta keep up. Good job. You're doing it. Watch out, you're gonna fall off. You gotta keep up.